How to fix NVIDIA graphics card not detected in your system. Restart the computer and check again if the system detects the graphics card. Open Device Manager in Windows and refresh the hardware list to see if the graphics card appears. Make sure the graphics card is properly inserted into the motherboard. Check that the power supply cables are correctly connected to the graphics card. Remove the current graphics driver and install the latest driver from NVIDIA. Open BIOS settings and set the main display option to PCIe graphics. Disable integrated graphics in BIOS if it prevents the dedicated card from working. Update the motherboard BIOS so the system can recognize the graphics card correctly. Update Windows to the latest version for better hardware compatibility. Contact support from NVIDIA or the card manufacturer if the problem still happens. Thank you for watching.